So on a beautiful day, I have been searching for. I've tried to search to get into Internet Explorer to see if it works with modern website. And it's what happens when you try to see just prompt right away that you said you need to download the new Microsoft Edge. They say some website do not support Air Explorer, Microsoft says security. Yep, then now they just try to make us so just saying some websites are not supported by the Internet Explorer. So what do you mean? What does they mean? Now I will try getting to YouTube right now. It will prompt to Edge. It will say, you're now browsing Microsoft Edge. This website doesn't work with Internet Explorer. I recommend good to experience. Have a checkbox here. This didn't came auto tick itself. I just ticked it before, but what you do is this: you need to click continue browsing. You cannot access this. You cannot. When you come here, you try to close it. It won't. It won't close. Here. And if you do on F4, it doesn't do anything. So the only way you need to you can escape this is using Control Alt Delete. Right here, get it in the task manager. And kill it manually. That's right. So it will direct you into this web page, the Microsoft support on Internet Explorer, instead of directing you to YouTube. It says the website you are trying to reach doesn't work with Internet Explorer. You have been redirected. Blah 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 blah. But now it's even if you came across a site on this Internet Explorer, you can load that site in the Internet Explorer mode without ever leaving Microsoft Edge. So I think this you may get uncomfortable to be forced from Microsoft to actually use Edge, but I think this is an effective way to make them stop using the decades old web browser. And I think I may explore the Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge in the near future. Goodbye.